what a huge topic. Cooking is fun, but kitchen safety is a priority. Think about it: knife, fire, bacteria. By observing basic rule of kitchen safety is a good habit to develop. Always pay attention to what you are doing in the kitchen, because one slip can cause serious injury or accident. It include electrical and grease fires, scalding, food safety and preparation, cleanliness, handling hot item, electrical safety, and handling small appliance safely. A part of a good kitchen organization, planning and preparing for kitchen safety is important. We in Tourism and Hospitality Department of Polytechnic Merlimau, as a center of technology, provide a general basic information. As a main player in technical, vocational, education and training in Malaysia, we had fully utilized our expertise and resources to make this happen. Now, let's see basic kitchen safety tip that's important to us. The first one is to make sure all wires, cord and plug on your appliances are not frayed and that the plug have 3-prong grounded connection. This would include coffee makers, toasters, blenders, microwave and mixers. Don't use extension cord. You can obtain a junction box that has built-in ground interrupters. This will allow you extra plug in space, and the ground fault interrupter will provide the indicator if there is a power shortage. And it also will help to avoid electrical shock accident. Don't use extension cord. You can obtain a junction box that has built-in ground fault interrupters. This will allow you extra plug in space, and the ground fault interrupters will provide the indicator if there is a power shortage, and it also will help to avoid electrical shock accident. Don't leave the kitchen with pots and pans cooking on the stove. Make sure to turn off burners as soon as you take the pot off. Avoid wearing inappropriate clothing while cooking. That means loose leaf and sweaters. Keep dish towels, pot holders, oven mitts away from the stove. Keep matches and lighters in high places where curious little hand can't reach them. If using candles in the kitchen, don't leave the room while they are burning. Make sure they are in safe place and in flame-proof containers. If using candles in the kitchen, don't leave the room while they are burning. Make sure they are in safe place and in flame-proof containers. Check furniture, curtain and dish towels. Make sure they are not blocking heater or air vents. Keep a fire extinguisher in or near the kitchen, but make sure it's not near the stove or the heater.
Cut.
In a case of grease fire, salt or baking soda will help you if you don't have a fire extinguisher. Scalding is one of the most common injuries in the kitchen. Make sure to turn pot handles away from the front of the stove and away from the curious little hand. Be sure appliances are unplugged before touching sharp edges. Never stick a fork in a toaster to retrieve trapped toast. You may get shocking result. Always be sure the blender is unplugged before you touching the blades. Be careful about sharp edges, for example, scissors, broken glasses and potato peeler. Never ever leave cooking food unattended, not even a minute. Casualness causes casualties. Don't answer or talk on the phone while cooking. You can be distracted and injuries can result. Clean up spill immediately. Wet floor are slippery when wet. Be certain that working areas are always clear from other items. Always use step stools to reach high places. Lastly, store cleaning supplies and all chemicals are in safe place. Use safety latch. That's the end of our kitchen safety tip. And remember, be safe.